It's your baby girl Evie. Welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be talking about a lotion review. That's clinical review. I have the cream here, the lotion with me here. I already used this container. Use the content, sorry. So I just want to show you guys the clinical lotion. So you guys know. Yeah. So this is the lotion here. So I've seen lots of reviews about this lotion and everything. So I decided to talk about my own experience while using the lotion. So I got to know about clinical lotion from a friend. He posted a picture, it was looking so nice, the picture looking, this color was really white, you understand? So I was like, which cream are you using? Then he was like, it's clinical lotion he's using. So I was like, okay. The next day, early morning, I went to the supermarket, got it, and started using it. So I discovered that there's some things you should know about it. Like, it's usually rubbed. You should usually rub it in the neck. But if you're going to rub it daytime, get sunscreen. Then while you are rubbing the cream, or should I say lotion, ensure you use coconut oil to prevent stretch marks. So those are just a few guidelines on how to use the lotion. Yes. So please like this video, subscribe to my channel, then also drop comments. I want to know what you guys think about the video, and I want to know your experience while using the lotion, or those that want to use the lotion, your experience while using the lotion. Then what else? Turn on your notification bell so you know when I post. Then watch my next video. It's really be helpful. So thank you.